Hello guys, how's life? Great, excellent, yay! Hari ini kita akan membahas vocabularies of human character part 2. Generous, generous, honest, honest, implied, implied, innocent, innocent, jealous, jealous, naive, naive, nosy, nosy, ability, ability, able, able, abrupt, abrupt, aggressive, aggressive, ambitious, ambitious, sensible, sensible, sensitive, sensitive, silly, silly, simple, simple, sincere, sincere, smart, smart, stingy, stingy, stubborn, stubborn, crazy, crazy, cruel, cruel, curt, curt, diligent, diligent, dim, dim, stupid, stupid. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much, and last I say, Mr.BOB, super seru.